The setup process for connecting your online store catalog to Google is quick and easy. Simply select Connect Google by navigating through the home screen. First, you will be prompted to select a Google account to use. You can use a pre-existing Google account, such as a Gmail account, or you can create a new one for free. Next, you will select a Google Merchant Center account to sync your products with if you have one already, or create a new one directly from Channel Cloud by simply following the prompts from the connection screen, creating your new Google Merchant Center account, and returning to Channel Cloud. Once your Google Merchant Center account is connected, you'll be presented with our channel check flow for Google. This will guide you through things that you will need in place for Google to accept your products into Google Merchant Center. Simply follow the prompts until you have completed all the steps, and then publish your products to Google Merchant Center. It's possible to sync your products with Google without all the steps having been completed, but Google will likely return errors, so it's better to complete the steps prior to publishing. Once your products have been synced, they will be eligible for display on relevant searches across Google's search network and across Google services without paying for ads. Note that it can take 3 days for Google to verify your products after they have been synced with Google Merchant Center, so please be patient when first syncing products. Once you've populated Google Merchant Center with your products, it's time to start getting your products in front of more customers with Google Shopping Smart campaigns.